Exactly, but I'm making an introduction first. Yeah. So hello chat. Now we're out here in SWELLENDAM for the Gasathon. We're chilling with colored mommies, you know how it goes. I look so fucked up right now because I'm the bride man apparently. I'm with only ladies, so I had to come as the bride guy, you see what I'm saying?
Hit up a homie and told him Kalali Gazola does an operation. We about to cook up my 2000, I like.
How will they know? How will they know?
It's a wow.
It tastes the same. It tastes the same. It's the same thing.
Yeah.
But this one, you see this one? It went to Kumelo High School. This one went to Kuro. Orbit College. It went to Orbit College. It went to Kuro. The only difference is that this one went to Kaya High School. This one. Chat. W is the chat. Ooh, you came with an expensive bottle. Chat.
Don.
Sorry? W Gasathon, eh?
Okay.
W Gasathon.
W.
How do you say W in Afrikaans though? V Gasathon.
W. V.
Is that the vector?
V.
Okay, V Gasathon. V Gasathon. Oh, yeah. Chat, I'm the bride master, chat. For those ladies, chat. But we're gonna get later tonight on the stream, chat. We're gonna get the guys to rap for us, chat. But okay, let's go.
Hi guys, I'm Coco. I'm Keisha. Hi guys, I'm Sinyal and I'm in green. Hi guys, I'm Sinas and I'm red. Hi guys, I'm Sudhir and I'm black. I'm pink.
Oh. But now you're saying the phone, okay. I'll tell you. No, I will tell you when I'm taking it.
Yeah, I'm away.
Where are you going now? You're not gonna come back.
I will come back.
Come. Mora. Gaan goed? Ik kan niet klaar nie. Dank. Bye, Sophie. Ik heb lang gezien. Oh, yeah. Oh, toch. Oh. Okay. Alright. Aibo. Aibo. Yo. Aibo. Yo. Oh, Sam. Oh, foi toch. Oh, yini betun. Oh, yini betun. Oh, yini betun. Oh, yini. Oh, Sam. Oh, yini betun. Abafana. Chat. My camera guy is a Liverpool fan and is losing, chat. I am so happy right now. Go crazy, not foreign forest. Chat. This is Sudin. The black of the berry.
Yo, literally black.
The sweet of the juice. Zima say as Roy and blue.
No si pelo.
Oh, yeah, Jesus. And this is Rochelle. Now we know this one. This is Rochelle, chat. And Rochelle, say hi to chat. Say hi. Hi. In Afrikaans.
Hello,
It did W's in the chat. Just say W's in the chat, Rochelle.
W.
Okay, chat. This is how we're coming through. This one was a color theme. So the ladies are wearing their colors. Apparently I am white, so I'm dripped up like that. You know, chat. I got the whites on. I got whites on. I got the white on. You know what I'm saying? Gotta blend it with something, though. You can't just go all white. You know what I'm saying? What's that van your pa? Your pa had a big foot.
Yeah, this girl's talking about my
How big is your foot? Is your father's foot? Your father?
number 13, maybe.
Your father wears number 13, Chad. Pwah!
Number 14.
Pwah!
Number 14.
Ungibi Mark! Ungibi Mark! Let them be comfortable at first. You start up your business. Yeah, they like bang. They like bang, yeah. Hey bro, don't worry. Do what you know. Do what you know. Where's the rest? Where's the other guys? What are you here for? Quiet. Do your thing. Make sure you bring the
This generation, but petty vibe. They met it to sell champagne. Yo, I got tano, but basic. Tano chillin' on my A-list.